Welcome to today's YouTube tutorial. In today's video, we will show you how to send MQTT messages with Peakboard. To do this, you first need an MQTT connection. You can get this by creating an MQTT data source. Once this MQTT data source has been created, double-click on a button to access the script editor. Here you will find the MQTT section in the category, Publish to External Systems, where you will find the block, Publish. If you create this, you can select the connection from the MQTT data source. Here you can define whether it is a standard or retain message. With a retain message, the value is sent to all subscribers when they subscribe. In the case of a standard message, it is only sent if they have already subscribed during the sending process. We then set the MQTT topic and the text that we want to send to the MQTT server. In the video description, you can find links to our template page, where you can download the project file and the corresponding article on our help page. Thank you for watching.